Hello everyone. In this presentation, we are going to understand how to make the LED to glow in different patterns. As you see here, the LEDs are going in some different pattern, which resembles like the double door is closing and then double door is opening. So there are two doors, double door is closing and double door is opening. So but actually when you look at technically, so simultaneously two devices are switched on. Simultaneously two devices are switched on in sequence. For example, so the topmost LED is glowing, at the same time the bottommost LED is glowing. So the first LED in the top and the first LED in the bottom is glowing first. Then the second LED from the top and the second LED from the bottom is glowing. So this is happening in sequence until it reaches the midpoint, and then the opposite action happens. The corresponding LEDs are switched off parallelly one by one in the opposite direction. This resembles like door is closing and door is opening. So it is simply sending out the data through port 0 in different pattern, which makes us to see the double door which is closing and opening. Let us see what is the code which is being written. Here if you observe carefully in this code, here you can see as usual we have a hash include and then we have a delay routine. And then if you observe carefully, initially we are in the while loop, we are giving out 0 0 through port 0. So if you see here, we are sending out the data 0x81 through port 0. What does it mean? 81 means 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. When 1 means LED glows, say for example most significant bit is glowing and then least significant bit is glowing simultaneously when you give 81. Similarly when you give C3, which is 1100 and then 0011, where so the doors have started closing. It resembles like doors have started closing, and when you give E7 means it looks like this, door was almost closed, and then when it is 111111 means two doors were closed. And the same thing is happening in the opposite direction. When it is E7, you see when it is E7, door started opening and door continues to open, and then finally all the door was open, and then you are giving the blank. So after blanking, after the door is open, you are waiting for a small time, and then again you are repeating the sequence, something like closing the door. So to make this, to increase the delay, now it is opening and closing with some delay. So now slowly we are changing the delay from 12,000 to 50,000. Let us see, we can able to understand the concepts a little bit much better by changing the delay from 20,000 to 50,000 in all the cases. So instead of 12,000, I am changing the delay as 50,000 in all the places, which will increase the delay. That means door closing time is increasing. So one by one, it slowly, which will closes the door, and then slowly door opens. So or otherwise now slowly door closes and it opens quickly because 12,000 delay, something like this. By changing some delay, you can able to see some different change in pattern. Compile and build this code after changing the delay. Now from this delay what you can understand is door will close slowly. Why? Because the more delay. Door will open quickly. Why? Because there is a minimum delay. So 12,000 delay will make the door to open quickly. 50,000 delay will make the door to close slowly. So let us see, after building this code, we are going to the Nuvoton environment to download the hexadecimal file into the target machine. So going to Nuvoton and loading this executable hexadecimal file, and then updating this file, and then if you are pressing the reset button, it is downloading this code. After getting pass notification, when you click OK, we can able to see slowly the door is closing and then quickly it opens. Slowly the door is closing and then quickly it opens. Why? Because for closing we are given the 50,000 time delay. For opening we are giving the 12,000 time delay. That's why the opening speed is faster than the closing speed. So like this we can create some different pattern, something like closing the door and opening the door. And like this, while playing, we can understand and we can celebrate, we can experiment the features of 8051 microcontroller much better by making an LED glow in different patterns. So this is one such example where double door closing and double door opening with suitable delay. Thank you.